Another way to get started quickly with Divi is to get a child theme. Now, if you've been working with WordPress for quite some time, you would know that child themes are themes that you use generally to make customizations to your parent theme, so that those customizations are saved, and when you update the parent theme, nothing happens to the child theme. However, with Divi, it's a little different because you can get a whole new site from a Divi child theme. Now, certain places sell these child themes. I have the lifetime access of Divi Space, so I get all their child themes, and I've used um, this one, Jasmine, for my personal site, for a personal blog that I use, and I've used Divi Photography for a personal project that I have. So they're basically really easy to install, and you just need to follow the instructions. Now, other marketplaces that will have them, the marketplace at Elegant Themes has several Divi Child themes, and there are other places like Divi Cake that sells Divi Child themes. They can go from a very low price, like $19, to very high price. But some of these are really uh, well set up with a lot of fun stuff. And this is the Design Space by Melissa Love, who does Divi sites, and she's got child themes not only for Divi, but she's got stuff for Elementor and Profoto as well. But her themes are very elegant. They're mainly for photography sites, but she's got other things, e-commerce and other um, different types of sites that are really look amazing, large. But hers are pricey, but they're really complete, and they come with lots of support because I belong to her Facebook group, and she does give a lot of support for these themes. So what I'm gonna do is I've already downloaded one. I chose. Let me show you what I chose. I've chose the Divi Business Pro, and you can go. I will leave you the link so that you can check it out and see what it's got. And we have a demo right here where we can see everything that comes with it. Let's go to the main page. And everything will be, when you install that child theme, everything will be imported into the site. We will have to do some tweaks, as we will see when I do that. But once you set them up, you'll have your complete site ready to go. Let's check out the documentation. Here in this page where it says Divi Business Pro, you have a link to the documentation, and you can check the requirements. You need a self-hosted WordPress installation. Your Divi theme needs to be installed. The Pro Child theme, and some of server recommendations. Which, if you are using the hosting that Divi, that Elegant Themes suggests, then you've got no problem. So let's set this up. The key is to have really good documentation, and that's why I love Divi Space, because they do have that. So let's follow along. We install the child theme, make sure the Divi theme is already installed. So let's go to our website, Appearance Themes, and we have it. So now we install the child theme, we upload it and activate it. Let's do that. Install now. Okay, let's activate it. Okay, I don't really like to peek because I know that I'm going to be disappointed by what I see, but let's just, for the fun of it, let's just check it out and see what we've got. Okay, all right, we got something here. Okay, now we need our, to add the license key, and that's down here in Divi Business Pro. So let me go get my license key and I'll add it there. Once I enter that, it gets me to this site, this page. Okay, so we need some plugins. Let's see what this says. All right, once the theme is installed, begin installing plugins. And then we install required plugins. Okay, and then we activate them. Install and activate. Begin installing plugins. Let's install them. And I've had to use their support in order to set up some of the child themes that I've gotten from them, and they're really fast, they're really good, and they help you and they make sure that you're all sorted out and not left without without any problems. So that's really good about this company. Okay, so then let's activate them. Okay. Return to dashboard. Okay, and then let's go to Divi Business Pro here. All right, so now we're ready to import the demo data. Let's see if there's anything now. Okay, let's click on import demo data and click continue. Let's click on import and wait a little bit. Sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it doesn't. That's the way of life with WordPress. Sometimes I've had to import the data several times, but sometimes it just comes up immediately, and that's great. So you've got to have a little bit of luck there when you're doing this. Let's see. Let's wait till we get this. And it's going a little slow. Let's see what comes afterwards. Afterwards, we're going to set up the home page. I'm going to pause and wait until it's all 100%. Okay, it seems that no errors. So let's keep going with the instructions. The homepage settings, we want to go to settings reading and choose the homepage 1. Save changes. Now post page settings. I'm going to choose blog and save again. Now we're going to go to widget settings. Should we take a peek? I don't know if we should do that. Let's do the widgets first and then peek. Okay. Sidebar, we want categories, recent post archives. Let's delete the other ones. Okay, now footer area 1, image and text contact us. Okay. Footer area number 2, menu clicks. Quick links. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on in footer area 2. We want the footer widget menu. That's it. What else? Okay. Okay, so now we're going to go to the customizer. So let's see, let's save and get a look at what we've got. This is save automatically. So let's check what we've got. All right. Okay, looks good. So a few things are a little broken there, but we can handle those. Looks nice. Wow, okay. All right, let me see if we have the about page. All right, as you can see, we've got our entire site here. Let's go to the blog. Okay, it looks like there's a little conflict within this and this. So let's finish what the instructions say, and then we'll figure that one out. It says to go to the customizer. Okay. Okay. Miscellaneous. Let's see. Let's fix the issue. Enable. I think it was enabled. It is. Okay. I don't have the size for this image, so I'm not going to do that right now. The color scheme. Let's go back. It's got the color. That's okay. Button settings. Okay. All right. So let's see what I can do to fix that little problem we're having on the front page, and then I'll come back. So I refreshed the page and went to the home page, and it sorted itself out. And now I can see the other pages. That got me a little worried back there. Okay. Contact. Our contact. Our projects. Okay, so now, and we have options for another home page, and you can change everything you want with these modules that you have here. So that is the second way to set up your site really quickly with Divi and the layout, or in this case, the child theme. I think it's pretty cool if you find something that looks similar to what you want, and then you just make sure that you change certain things, and it'll become your project instead of a template that everybody has. Um, you can add and remove sections any way you want to, and that will help you make it more unique. But I think this is an amazing starting point for a lot of things. I can show you, I've got two sites. Let me pause and get those two sites that I can show you that I've set up with child themes. So I've got this personal blog, and I use the Jasmine child theme from Divi Space. I've changed the colors and done a lot of CSS tweaking to make it my own. But this was a child theme that they provided, and this one here is also from a child theme, and I just added a few things to make it my own, and change the color. I didn't change the color palette in this one, just change the icons to what I wanted to say. But I was able to set up these websites really fast using these child themes. So there you go. You can start your Divi site really easily with this.